Okay, I thought I'd just do a quick mid lathe rebuild report here. I did a video just as the thing was showing up, and this is where I'm halfway through. By halfway through, I mean it's pretty much torn down as far as it's going to get right now. I'm down to the everything pretty much torn apart. A lot of things are actually put back together again now. The carriage is over there. It's all fully. It's been taken apart, stripped, repainted, and put back together again. Same with the apron here is now fully clean, fully repainted back in its original colors. There was real grungy in there. It was just horrible. I've been my process has been to take things apart, clean them as best I could with kerosene and a toothbrush and paper towels. Been through a roll and a half of paper towels so far. There's little bits laying all over the place right now. Bits of the quick change gearbox, tumblers, and tool posts, and all the other stuff there. I've got little bits of the headstock in there, little gears and stuff. I'm trying to keep on this so that I can remember how it goes back together again. I've been taking things apart, cleaning them. Then I'm using a Jasco stripper on it, which is fantastic stuff. A little hard on your throat in a closed environment like this, but that's why I'm not doing the cabinet until summer, because I'm going to have to put use so much of it that I'm going to wait until I can open the doors. But put the stripper on it, let it sit for 15 minutes, take it off with a putty knife and paper towels and whatever I can do, and then usually just this plastic wheel will take it right down to the metal. And in some cases I've been using wire brushes on just raw castings. I've been trying not to use it on any machine surfaces. But then repainting with Rust-Oleum black on the controls and dark machine gray on the rest of the body of the thing. And that's basically all I'm doing. I put a VFD on it. It is a 3-phase motor. I bought one that was rated for 5-horse motor, whatever it is, 2.5 kilowatts or something like that. It's only a 2-horse motor. I did have it kick out on me when I ran the rev drive all the way up to full speed. I don't think that I probably would normally do that. I think I'd probably run it. I'm probably just going to set it at direct drive. But I also think that the reason it kicked out, it gave me an overcurrent error. I think the only reason it did that is because it's set at very conservative values in the programming. So I think once I fix that and just tell it that it can do a few more amps, that it'll be fine. It won't kick out like that. I also think I can set the ramp speed up a little faster too, and I'm also going to investigate if it can do an emergency brake, so that I can maybe eventually build a foot brake for this thing. Be kind of nice to have. Anyway, that's where we're at. Little pieces laying all over the place, and I'm going to try to get everything back together again while I still remember how it came apart.